episode natin with Coach Angel with the props, with the big bench.
Bench.
Yes. May sinisigaw yung audience.
Meron. Oo, naalala ko.
Pero hindi siya parang, at first, parang tama ba yung narinig?
Ano ba yun? Ano? Parang, ha?
Diba?
Oo.
Ano yung sinigaw nila? Ano?
Jajo.
Ha? Nakaka-judge ha? Pero, judgehin na lang natin sila.
Magjajohan tayo dito. Halika.
So I think that will be our duo name. Yes. Let's go, Joker.
Wow!
Hi, Coach!
Kayo pala yun! Kaya pala, sabi nila sa akin, surprise, meron kang bagong duo na i-handle.
First time.
Oo nga, first time. And permanent partners.
That's right. Kami na two.
Okay, so dahil dyan, mag-aaral kayo ng dance hall.
Let's go.
Na I think is napanalunan ni Joker last time.
Tama.
And first time ni Jasmine.
Na mananalo sa dance hall. Uy!
Dance
Diba?
hall, dance of rhyming yun. Okay? So ayun, since dance hall yung style natin, ang theme natin ngayon is festivals.
Okay.
But around the world.
Let's go.
Meron ba kayong idea festival from India?
Ano yan, Coach? Yung super colorful niyan.
Yes.
Diba? Yun.
Wala akong idea, Coach, pero alam kong merong festival sa India na makulay.
Oh!
Oo, yan.
Hindi.
Gets
Starts with
naman! H.
Holy.
Holy.
Holy Festival!
Tama.
Munti ko na makalimutan kasi medyo nag-iisip-isip ako kanina.
Coach,
Galing mo talaga.
Galing mo.
Ikaw talaga.
The brain is braining.
Okay, so Holy Festival, gumagamit sila ng holy powder na very colorful. Then, sabog lang. With each other, sa taas, it's ano lang siya, para very bright, colorful celebration.
Okay.
Parang ganun.
Okay.
So, exciting, right?
Let's go. First dance hall, and honestly, whoo! It's so fun. It's really fun, and I think yun yung na-appreciate ko na sinasabi ni Coach Ellie lagi sa amin. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. It's about having fun, and the audience watching, dapat maramdaman nila from us na nag-enjoy kami. Kasi, ano yun lulusot yun para sila din parang,
Ma-feel.
huy, gusto kong festival sa kanila. So, kahit nakakapagod, lalo na yung bandang dulo kasi ang daming knee work! Oh. And okay pa naman, 30 plus pa lang naman. Pero,
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa.
naramdaman ko lang yung simula nung,
Nangawit na, no?
but it's all good.
One of the trainings na ginagawa ng mga dancers is magpa-condition talaga ng katawan.
Ako.
Okay.
Feeling ko before natin mag-run and after natin mag-run, I think we need to do this. Siguro burpees.
Okay.
And then high knees for now.
Okay.
And then oorasan ko lang kayo.
Okay, Coach.
Ready? Let's go! Let's go! Okay.
Talon?
Okay. 3, 2, 1,
One, go.
Nice.
Hi, nice.
Yo! Kamusta? Tagal-tagal din yun
Sakit, Coach.
Kailang?
Mainit.
Yes.
Yeah, mainit sa
Kasi-
likod.
Mainit yan. Kasi lalo na dancehall laging grounded dapat. So, ito yung unang-unang mababurn sa inyo. So, kailangan sobra siyang nasa kondisyon.
Okay.
Saka yung stamina. So,
Yeah.
importante pa rin ang conditioning sa atin as dancers. Ready for full out?
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go, ate.
I'm super happy kasi nga, I think nung in-interview pa kami for digital few weeks back, pareho kaming sagot ni Joker na we really wanna be paired up with each other naman talaga. wala, puro shuffle tayo the first few weeks. So, you know, it's nice to experience everyone's tandem, but it's also nice to be back with Joker again because I know for sure sobrang helpful niya sa akin lagi. And he always reminds me, okay, enjoy natin to, wag gigil. Kasi alam niya rin na may ganun akong
Same.
personality na, ito na, alam ko yung steps, pero pag nanggigil,
Nawawala.
Nawawala.
Yun. Feeling ko doon kami nagkasundo kasi pag nire-remind ko si ate, ang totoo nun, nire-remind ko lang yung sarili ko din.
Totoo ba?
Na pagka, minsan kasi nagigigil ako, hindi ko na nakapapakita yung steps.
Yeah.
So, pag sinasabi ko sa'yo, nare-remind na rin ako sa mga
Yeah.
timing, sa
Yeah.
mga facial expression, mga ganun.
para kaming mirror ng isa't
True.
isa. And yun dapat sana yung mag-reflect din sa partner.